Welcome back to this week's broadcast.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Olivia.
This semester has flown by. It is hard to believe that winter sports season has already started.
Yeah, I know. I heard that boys basketball has been working real hard to prepare for this season.
Let's go check it out. Last Monday was the first day of winter sports practice, including boys basketball.
The team has been preparing for the season through some early morning conditioning. We did a lot of camps in the summer. We participated in league at GICC again, and we also did a couple of AAU tournaments down in Omaha to help prepare and kind of sharpen our skills.
We've been preparing for the season by going in the mornings and shooting, and then about 2 weeks ago we started conditioning, and we got shots up in the gym as well, scrimmaging, and then yesterday we started our official practice.
I play the center position for our team. If we go big, sometimes Hayden will play the 5 and I'll move to the 4, but for most of the time I'm at the 5.
I play kind of like a guard and a forward. I'm really the guy who can play really anywhere on the court anytime I need to.
With any team, having good chemistry is vital to team success. This year, the boys team has 6 seniors that have been playing together for a while.
I've been playing basketball since about 2nd grade when I started the YMCA.
I've been playing basketball since 3rd grade, when I was about 9 years ago.
I'm most looking forward to playing Kearney Catholic, just because they're our season opener, our home opener. Should be a nice environment in there, and it'll be a good opportunity to set the tone for how we want the season to go.
I'm looking forward to playing Kearney Catholic, a season opener on our home court, just get that win, maybe motivate us for the rest of the year.
Our team strengths this year would be that we're returning a lot of minutes from last year. We can drive pretty well. I think we can finish in the paint pretty well. I think we have a nice paint presence that a lot of teams have to focus on, and then we have good shooters on the outside as well that can make the shot when they get the opportunity.
My favorite part about basketball is just the team aspect, being with the guys, all the bus rides, and everything we've done over the past 4 years.
The start of a new season, it is important to set goals, whether they are team goals or individual.
My personal goal would be to reach the 1,000-point scoring club this year.
My goal is to average at least 3 steals a game. I've been a defensive guy since I really started high school, and that's something I've been looking forward to.
Our team goals is definitely to be able to host a sub-district final and hopefully host a district final this year.
Good luck to the boys basketball team as they continue to prepare for their season.
I'm excited to see how the boys do this year. They have a lot of potential.
You know who else has a lot of potential? Girls wrestling.
Yeah, let's go see how they've been preparing for the season.
Girls wrestling has just started their season and are having lots of practices before and after school.
Practices for wrestling are very tough. It doesn't matter whether you're a four-year wrestler or a first-year wrestler. They're tough because they're very physical.
So when we practice, we start with our warm-up laps downstairs. So we either do 8 to 10, and then we come up to the wrestling deck, we stretch.
We'll do technique, and so we work on moves that we'll use in our matches. And then at the end of practice, we usually do live and do some extra conditioning.
I got involved with wrestling because I wanted to try something new, and it was the only thing that I thought I could never do. But then I started doing it, and I really loved doing it because it's such a fun and interactive sport. And since it's a contact sport, I got to, take my anger out on people during matches.
So I started wrestling my freshman year. I wasn't doing basketball, and some teachers just encouraged me to do it, and I was like, why not try it?
We appreciate the coaches putting in a lot of time and energy into helping these girls succeed in their season.
This is about my 45th year of coaching. I've been involved a long time, and so I wrestled in high school, I played football in high school, and I love the sport.
My favorite part is matches. I like competing. I do like being around my teammates and having that kind of animosity when people do win their matches. It's kind of like a family-oriented type of feeling.
I'd say my favorite part for wrestling is just being able to work hard, and there's individual aspect of it, so it's just me out on that mat versus another person.
My favorite part of coaching wrestling and anything is just the relationships you develop with the kids. The girls, they're great, they work hard, I love them to death.
My coaches push me a lot to do my best. They're always encourage me at practice to work hard, and then just myself of wanting to be better every day.
I say myself. Most of the time I try to be a better version of myself. During duels or something our team pushes us the most, they'll try to make us better by motivating us every day to do one extra rep or to finish everything completely and give it our all.
My goals for this season would just to show up and work hard every day, and once I do that, then everything else will be taken care of.
As a coach, my goal is that by the end of the year, they've improved not only as a wrestler, but as a person, and that they love the sport, and that they want to give back, that they want to continue.
Good luck to the girls wrestling team as they start out their season.
It's great to see so many girls go out for wrestling. It's also great to see how many of our students are involved in bowling. I know they've been working hard during the off-season.
For the past few weeks, the Northwest bowling team has been practicing their upcoming season.
I'm Faith Lamb, and I'm a senior on the girls bowling team. We practice Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and when we get there, we start with no steps, and then we do one steps, and then we usually do full approach, maybe some Baker games, which is like one person bowls and the next person bowls, and then sometimes we do a full game by ourselves. Bowling is scored by, if you knock down all the pins, obviously it's a strike, and then whatever you leave, like if your first shot, whatever you leave, you want to try to pick it up.
I'm Yair, and I'm on the boys bowling team. Off season, sometimes we practice. We have a club where during summer we bowl. Go to York, Hastings, around Nebraska.
I enjoy bowling because it's been in the family for a long time, and I've been bowling since I was, I think, 3. And then just last year we had a freshman join, and her and I have been bowling together for a long time.
I enjoy it because it's a fun activity to do. I've been doing it since I was little.
Last season, the team qualified for state.
I'm really looking forward to just be able to bowl again this year, just since last year my season got cut short. I'm really hoping we can make it to state too.
I know our team's weaker this year since we lost like 3 of our best bowlers this season, but I feel like we still have a chance to make it.
Good luck to the bowling team on their upcoming competition season.
It's really cool to see how they've been improving their skills. Speaking of improving themselves, the teachers have grown a lot since their high school years. Yeah, let's go reminisce their old Facebook pictures.
Hey Vikings, welcome back to this week's Viking in the Village. I'm Leah.
I'm Olivia, and today we're finding old pictures of teachers
and asking them for their autographs. Let's go!
What? Yeah, I'm not going
to. Can you please, can you sign this?
For what? Oh my god! Get out of here! Oh my gosh! Get out of here!
You just open it up and
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's creeping on my social media accounts? This is me in high school. That is
so snazzy.
That's a cute photo. It's me. That was in college. I had to go serve like a Thanksgiving dinner. I didn't do a good job either because noodles are dropping. Why?
You just have to open it up and sign it.
Is there something funny in here?
I don't know.
Sign it. Okay, let me sign it so that you can't see it.
It's better. I'm saying Google Docs
Can
works
you
a lot
sign this
better
for
with
me?
Classroom.
It's easier, yeah.
What do you think? I'm saying for this application, Docs is.
I look great, don't I?
Yeah.
High school, you know?
Yes.
Back when I had hair.
That's not Excel expert, everything.
That's totally me. I don't know what you're talking about. I look beautiful.
Yeah, okay.
I would be mad.
How about that face?
He does have can you sign this for us?
Oh, I'm gonna see a nice picture of myself. Did you know there's lots of weird pictures of me though? Oh, the old Facebook.
Do you like that black hair? That's before I moved to Houston.
Drink water, people.
And don't hang out with people right there that make bad choices. Tea.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, some of those teachers really had a glow up. I agree. Well, that is all we have time for this week. Until next time, Vikings. I'm Olivia. And I'm Emily. Bye.